Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to add multi-factor authentication to an IAM user. So what is multi-factor authentication? According to Wikipedia, multi-factor authentication is an authentication mechanism in which a computer user is granted access only after successfully providing two or more pieces of evidence to the authentication mechanism. The authentication mechanism which we are discussing here is AWS. Simply put, this is a two-step verification process, and in the first step we provide our credentials, and in the second step we provide authentication code which appears from our registered device. So in AWS, uh, multi-factor authentication is a critical component of identity and access management. In AWS particularly highly discourages using a root user account to log in into AWS console, since permissions associated with that root account cannot be reduced. So they recommend creating a user having administrative permissions. In this video, we will see how to add multi-factor authentication to the user with having administrative privileges. So let's log into our AWS console. So from services, I will navigate to IAM. From there to the users tab, I'll and I will click on add user button. Here I will provide username, I need AWS management console. Yeah, I'll provide custom password as well here. So I'll uncheck the uh, I'll I'll uncheck the require password reset checkbox. Next, permissions, and go to attach existing policies. Yeah, here it is, administrator access. So tags, I'll add name admin. So clicking on the create user button will create a user for us. So I'll grab the URL, AWS management console access URL, and copy this URL. I'm currently logged in as a root user. Then I'll log out and log in as the user which we have just created now. So here I will log in as the user which we have created earlier. Once logged in, to add multi-factor authentication, click on my security credentials under the username menu. Once here, click on assign MFA device button. So select a virtual MFA device and press continue. So I have Google Authenticator on my mobile device. So I'll open that quickly. I'll click on the show QR code button and I'll scan the QR code. The QR code has been accepted. Now we have to provide two set of MFA codes which is available on my device. First one is 995232. I'll wait for some time for the second code to appear. Five 047. So click on the assign MFA button. Yeah, we get a message saying that this virtual MFA you have successfully assigned virtual MFA, and this virtual MFA will be required during sign in. So I'll close this pop-up and log out. Now I'll try to log in with the same IAM user. User demo 5 password. So here you can see that we are not forced to add multi-factor code to log in into the system. Once we provide the MFA authentication code 618, we will be able to log into our AWS console. So this is how we can add multi-factor authentication to the newly created IAM user. This IAM user is having administrative privileges, and this is the user which you can use instead of using the root user. Okay, that's it. This is it for the video. If you have any comments or questions, please post them as comments in the comment section below. Thank you.